Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, we will be having a dialogue together. You and I will take turns on speaking one line at a time. We will have 5 different scenarios so that you can feel comfortable in real life situations if these conversations come up. If we haven't met before, my name is Bo. Hi! Welcome to my channel. My goal is to help you to feel comfortable in your English listening skills, and today we will expand into your speaking skills. Right now, I am speaking slowly so that my beginner English students can understand. But when we start our dialogues, I will speak at a moderate pace. Moderate is in the middle. It's not too slow. It's not too fast. It's in the middle, moderate. The reason why I've decided to speak at a moderate pace is because when English speakers, specifically Americans, speak at their normal pace, it can sound pretty fast. So if I can speak to you at a pace that's right in the middle, it will help your ears to get used to how words sound when spoken quickly. In other words, when I speak quickly or at a normal pace with my friends, the words slur together. Slur means that the words melt into each other. So if I speak it too slowly, like right now, it's very easy to understand because I'm clearly pronouncing all of these words. But this is not how I normally speak to my friends. I normally would speak to them like this. Yes, it's usually that fast. I'm going to say that at a moderate pace so that you understand. I normally speak to them like this. That's not too bad, right? Especially if you've been watching my videos, your listening skills are probably improving day by day. I've been posting a video, one long video, every single day for 1 month. So you have plenty of videos to practice from, to listen to. So at this point, you should feel more confident in at least your listening skills. So today, let's build your speaking skills so that you can feel confident if you were to ever speak to an American person. Before we get started on this really fun dialogues, plural, please like my video to show your support. Please subscribe so that you can receive notifications when I post videos, and also so that I can make more friends around the world. I love that I have so many new subscribers from countries that I've never even heard of. I would like to consider myself as a worldly person, which means someone who has interest or some knowledge in what's happening around the world. But there was one new subscriber who commented and said that they were from a country that I hadn't heard of. So that was really cool, and I wish I could remember the name of that country. By the way, I now offer memberships. So if you're interested in excelling in your English, please join my membership to receive exclusive perks. Exclusive means it's for you, not for everyone. Perks are benefits or bonuses, like little presents. So every month, I will be posting some behind the scenes photos and videos. You will also have access to my videos earlier than the public. First, I will read the top line of the dialogue, and then you will read the bottom line. When we finish our dialogue, we will reverse the role so that you will read the top line and I will read the bottom line. I hope that makes sense. When it's your turn, I will hit the bell, the ding, so that you know that it's your turn to speak. As I mentioned, there will be 5 different dialogues, so get excited and let's do it. Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name? I'm Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from Korea. How was that for you? Was that difficult? Do you need to try that again? Well, you have another opportunity right now where we are going to switch the role or reverse the role. You will say the top line first, and then I will say the bottom line. Are you ready? Hi, nice to meet you too. I'm Bo. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm from California. You? That's great. I love Korean food. Are you starting to feel more comfortable? That was a pretty basic dialogue that you may have with someone when you are introducing yourself. Are you ready for the second dialogue? This scenario will be at the coffee shop, and I will start by saying the top line. Hi, could I order a coffee, please? Medium, please. No, that's it. Here you go. Thank you. Is my moderate speed okay for you? I would love to know in the comments. Now we are going to reverse the role. So you will be the top line and then I will be the bottom line. Sure, what size would you like? Anything else? That will be $3.50. Thank you. Your drink will be ready soon. You're welcome. Have a great day. I already know you're doing a really great job. Let's move on to the third dialogue. For this scenario, we will be at the grocery store. I will start with the top line first. Excuse me, where is the milk? Thank you. And where's the bread? Do you have almond milk? Great, thank you so much. Nice job, you're killing it. You're going to be the top line, and I will be the bottom line this time. It's in the back near the yogurt. Aisle 3 on the left side. Yes, it's on the top shelf. No problem. Let me know if you need help. In Dialogue 4, we will talk about the weather with the theme of small talk. Small talk is basic conversation with a maybe stranger or someone you probably don't know super well, just to reduce the silence in the room. I will start with the top line. It's so hot today. I wish it would rain. Do you like hot weather? Same here. Now you will read the top line and I will read the bottom line. I know, it's over 90 degrees. Me too, we really need it. Not really, I prefer cool days. Hopefully next week is better. Last dialogue, we are now at the doctor's office. I will start with the top line. Hi, I have an appointment. Sarah Kim. 10:30 a.m. Thank you. Okay. Now let's reverse the roles. You start with the top line first. Okay, what's your name? Got it. What time is your appointment? Great. Please have a seat. The doctor will be with you soon. Let me know if you need anything. Great job. How was that for you? Which of these dialogues did you like the best? I created this video because one of my subscribers commented and requested for this style of video. I read every single comment and I respond to every single comment. So please feel free to write in the comments what video you would like for me to create so that your English can improve in a fun and enjoyable way. Please share this with any of your friends or family members who are also learning English. And I really, really appreciate all of your support and love. I can't express in words how grateful I am for you to trust me as your English teacher. It means the world to me. Thank you again. I will see you at the next lesson. Bye!